I need to kill you. That's the only way to get you out of my head. Oh, I need to kill you, to silence all the sweet little things you said. I really wanna kill you, wipe you off the face of my earth, and bury a bracelet, bury a bracelet 6 feet under the dirt. Rainy days and black umbrellas. Who's gonna save you now? Can you cheat from underground? My condolences. I'll shed a tear with your family.